Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be talking about few reasons why normally the agile projects will fail. I'll be providing top 6 reasons why agile projects will fail. This will be a very important video for you guys, especially this question will be on any agile related interviews. The first reason why agile projects really fails is because of when there is no clear vision on the product which they are building, when there is no clarity what they are trying to build by the team, definitely the agile projects will fail. And the second is, especially in agile projects, the collaboration is very key. In case there is no collaboration, when there is no teamwork, or when the team is not self-engaged, it is not completely working together, then definitely agile projects will fail. Then the third is pyramid structure in the team, like top-down team structure, which is completely operated in a traditional approach. That time also agile projects will definitely fail. Then the fourth reason is not able to implement the minimum viable product. Normally in agile project, every sprints will be building minimum shippable products or prototype can be demoable for the client. As a team, when we are not able to develop this kind of MEP, then definitely agile projects will fail because they are not able to showcase anything at the end of the given sprint. And the fifth is there is no mechanism, or when there is no way we can track the progress of a given project, and we are not able to showcase what improvement we can adopt into the given project, that time also agile projects will fail. Sixth reason is, as we are saying in the fourth reason, when we are not able to develop a minimum viable product, definitely we cannot deliver a bigger chunk of code or bigger chunk of product application, bigger chunk of features at the end of the given release. So these are the top 6 reasons. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys really like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, then do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.